Hey all, what's up? Ever wondered how much money Uber drivers make in Texas? Well, I am about to give you the real numbers, the pros, the cons, and whether it actually worth your time, especially in 2025. I've been driving Uber across cities like Houston, Dallas, and even Austin, and let me tell you, it's not all cowboy boots and easy cash, but it can be good money if you play it smart. Alright, let's talk numbers. On average, Uber drivers in Texas make around 20 to 25 an hour dollar before expenses. That means if you drive full time, let's say 30 to 30 hours a week, you're looking at 700 to 1000 a week. But wait, don't get too excited. You have got to subtract gas, car maintenance, insurance, and the big one, uppercut, which can be around to 30%. If you're smart with your hours and location, like working weekend nights in downtown Dallas or airport runs in Houston, you can hit $40 an hour. But during slow weekends, you can drop $10 an hour. Let's break it down. Let's say you make 1000 a week. You spend 100 on gas, 50 in insurance, maybe 20 or car maintenance if you drive a lot. Now subtract Uber commission and boom, your real take home might be $700. Also self-employed tax. Don't forget, if you're not saving for taxes, you're setting yourself for a painful April. But here the good news: if you keep good records, you can deduct mileage, phone costs, car washes, and more. So be organized. Want to maximize your income? Here we learn. Work during surge hours, Friday and Saturday nights, early morning airport runs. Know the city, downtown area, event location, and sports stadiums are gold mines during the right times. Use destination filters to your advantage. Get paid to drive home. Don't chase the surgery-bleeding. Traffic can eat your time. Also, multi-app if you can. Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash. Keep your option open. So, is driving Uber in Texas worth it? If you're looking for flexible hours, quick cash, and side hustle, yes. If you're expecting a full-time job with benefits and stability, maybe not. Some drivers I know make $2,000 a week. But hey, grind hard, night and day, and know all the tricks. Others quit after a month because the wear and tear on their car was worth it. So what do you think? Would you try Uber driving in Texas? Or have you already? Drop a comment below and share your experience. I wanna hear your story. See you guys.